guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I will be sharing my swatches and review of a beautiful glittery flaky collection by the brand Nailed It. This is just one out of the 6 polishes that I got from one of their collections. The collection is actually called Taste the Rainbow and contains 6 beautiful rainbow inspired colors. These are super flaky, super gorgeous, and I can't wait to share my swatches with you guys. I have bought these polishes myself at hypnoticpolish.com. They are 13 euros a piece. I'm not quite sure if this collection is still available, but I do think they do restock every now and then. And yeah, the cool thing about Hypnotic Polish is that for me especially, they are located in the Netherlands, so it is pretty convenient for me to spend some extra free budget on indie nail polishes that you can get right there. As usual, I'm not being paid or sponsored or anything to share this information. I'm just really happy with the company and just the entire web store. They have really opened up a big world for me when it comes to indie brands, and I'm really excited to try more of them. But if you are new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. And yeah, let's just stop the rambling and get into the swatches, because these polishes are probably some of the most beautiful polishes that I have ever owned in my own nail polish collection. But thank you guys so much for watching on forehand. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video as well.
So let's get into the swatches, because I am so excited to share these colors with you. It is insane how beautiful these are. I definitely didn't lie or tune it down when I said these polishes are some of the most beautiful ones I have in my collection, because they truly really are. And if you are a fan of indie brands, definitely check out this brand, because for me these are the first polishes that I got from Nailed It. I hadn't really heard of this brand before when I wasn't really looking on hypnoticpolish.com. So yeah, definitely check out that web store if you're curious about them. And if you are from Europe, just like me, the prices are actually pretty decent, and you don't have to like pay a lot of import costs either. So yeah, definitely check them out. This brand, I'm obsessed with it. I can't wait to see what other collections they actually have. The bottles contain 15 milliliters and they are 13 euros a bottle. So they are on the higher end price-wise, but they are really beautiful. This first one is called Strawberried Treasure. I just love the nameplay for all of the names from these polishes. It is really cute, and yeah, I'm just going to do the colors or like swatch them like rainbow wise. So I'm starting off with the red, then I'm going to the orange, the yellow, the green, the blue, and the purple. So yeah, I am going to swatch all of these on my thumb as usual, and I am going to apply 2 coats of each bottle just to show you what the colors can actually do and how the end result will look with just 2 thin coats. I was actually really amazed with the opacity of all of these colors, because they kind of have like a jelly formulated base, but there is so much flakies going on in these polishes that it is pretty much like 90 towards 95% opaque with just 2 coats. And this first red one, I just feel like this is like fire in a bottle. It is so gorgeous. It definitely gives me some like fruity vibes, but mostly just literally flames and fire in a bottle. I think this is such a gorgeous color. I think it will be beautiful to wear this one all year round, to be honest. I don't really feel like this is a specific spring or summer collection, even though like brighter colors or more spring summer like. I do think this color will be flaming like bomb.com throughout the entire year just to wear it on its own or maybe in nail art. The next color is the orange already. I just love it. I love orange colors. I do feel like this is more of like an orangey yellow kind of color, but comparing it with the next color that I will be swatching after this one, it definitely is more on the orangey side. This was called Orange You Glad. Once again, a really cute name. I really like it. And yeah, I just really love colors like these. This one is definitely one of those colors that is perfect for summer, but you can still pretty much wear it throughout fall as well, especially if you're going to do like Halloween, pumpkin-y, orangey kind of nail art. I think it would be really pretty to maybe even do like a stamped pumpkin design on this, or maybe do some reversed stamping, which I still need to do. I keep on forgetting it for some reason. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I haven't really gotten my hands on some new image plates or stamping plates. So if you have like any recommendations for cool new stamping plates, definitely let me know, because I'm not really using the stamping plates that I already have in my collection, because I've already used a lot of them in my videos. So if you know some like maybe new to me brands when it comes to stamping, let me know in the comments down below. I would really appreciate that. But yeah, this color once again, pretty much opaque with just 2 coats. And yeah, the flakies in this entire collection are actually really easy to work with, and they aren't really hard to remove afterwards either. Just grab a little cotton round or a piece of cotton round and some nail polish remover and soak it for like 5 minutes, and it's really easy to remove. And the flakies do stay flat on the nail as well. You don't really have to overwork them or anything like that. They are pretty nice and decent while it comes to the application. The next one is my main squeeze, and this is like the definition of lemonade. I saw this color, and you guys know me, I've mentioned this in so many of my previous videos lately, that I am a big fan of yellow polishes, especially in spring and summer. I just feel like it's such a happy, positive, uplifting color, like definitely mood uplifting, if you know what I mean. Not everyone loves yellows, but this time of year I definitely do. It is still a little sheer on that first coat, but of course the second coat will definitely spice it up even more. And of course, remember to cap off your edges if you have longer nails. It just makes sure that your manicure stays put for a longer period of time. It gives a more flush end result, and it prevents from chipping and tip wear, you know. Just a little tip in between this full-on review and swatch video. I know you guys really like me to talk through these videos like I'm just sitting next to you while painting our nails, you know. And I really do love the fact that you guys actually do sit down and paint your nails while watching my videos. So definitely let me know in the comments down below what you're wearing on your nails right now. And of course, what do you think about these colors so far? I'm really curious to hear which one is your favorite. I am pretty much obsessed with this entire collection. It is just like love and parties and just festivities in a bottle. I don't know, it's just, I love it so much. And especially this yellow one. I have a weak spot for yellow nail polishes. And yeah, I'm just slightly dipping my toes into these indie brands like I mentioned in a previous video as well. I'm just so loving it. Like the finishes are so different from what you like normally find in drugstores. I'm just loving it so much. Like, it's always a good thing and just really refreshing to try out something new. So if you haven't really tried out this brand or any other indie brand, definitely do so. I highly recommend it, especially if you've been working with nail polishes for as long as I've been doing it. It's actually pretty cool to try out something new every once in a while. But the next one I am swatching right here, I've already showed you the bottle. It's called Green Appley Ever After. I have used it in one of my nail art design videos. I think it was like the pink and green with the gradient stamps on there. I'm not quite sure, but I used it as like little detailed blobs on the base of the nail art before going into the stamping, and it's just gorgeous. Once again, the bases of these polishes are very jelly-like, so they are quite sheer, but because there is so much flakies in these, they are very quickly opaque. Like, way faster opaque, or how do you say that? Like they're really opaque fast, and I really didn't expect that. So big round of applause for Nailed It for actually putting so much effort and so much definitely high quality flakies in here. They're so easy to apply, and I pretty much love the brush as well. But this green one, it just reminds me of like those green sour apples, and it's gorgeous, perfect for Halloween as well. Now looking at this, my head is like already like looking into the future and just thinking of Halloween designs to do. I'm pretty sure I'm going to use that green one for one of my Halloween designs as well. But the next one, I have already used this one in a previous nail art design as well, with like the sea and the beach kind of vibes. This one is pretty gorgeous too. I know a lot of you guys out there that are watching my videos, whether or not you are subscribed or not, I definitely appreciate you watching. So thank you for your support. I know a lot of you guys actually really love blue polishes, but because they're such like a color shifting flaky in this, I feel like you can match this one up with a lot of different like colors as well. I used it to give like my beach kind of nail art more depth, more like bling and just shimmer, and it worked really well. But yeah, I just really love the like color shiftingness of the flakies that's in here, because it goes from like a yellow to a green to an orangey kind of tone even. I think it's really gorgeous. And the base layer of course will get more intense the more layers you will apply. So if you looked at it like the first coat, it is quite sheer, but the second coat definitely gave it more like pigmentation, I'd say, like more depth into this color. The name of this polish, I didn't even mention it yet, is called Blueberrylicious. I think it's really cute. Do I feel like it is a perfect blueberry color? Not really sure about that, but the name nonetheless is really cute, and this entire collection is based upon fruits and rainbows, and I just pretty much love it. I do think it is like the spring or the summer collection by the Nailed It brand. I'm not quite sure. It's called Taste the Rainbow. It reminds me of Skittles, and now I'm really craving Skittles, and I haven't had them in like forever. I definitely had to get me some after doing this voiceover. But the sixth and final color is a beautiful purpley grape kind of color. It is gorgeous. It is called Eternally Grapeful. Once again, a very cute name. Loving the name play with it, or the word play. This one is stunning. It definitely is stunning. I feel like you can pair it up with a pink, with a purple, with like a bluish blurple kind of color, I'd say. But it is very stunning on its own as well. As the other colors, this one is pretty sheer with the first coat, but there is so much shimmer, or not really shimmer, like there are so many flakies in here, but there are like tiny particles of those flakies as well, which makes it look even more deep and just more, I don't know how to say that, like the more coats you add of these polishes, because the flakies are so different, like size and shape wise, it gives it so much depth. Like with that second coat, it already looks like you have applied maybe like 5 layers or something, because the flakies level out so lovely that they instantly create a beautiful like deep view into it, almost like it's a shimmery like ocean or something. I don't know. I'm just really happy that I got this collection, and I'm just really excited. You might already hear that at like listening to the tone of my voice, and just I get really hyped up and my heart starts beating faster when I see beautiful polishes like these. So yeah, I'm really happy that I got this collection. Once again, I have bought it myself. They are a little bit more expensive, but definitely worth the money. Definitely let me know what you think about these as well. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.